Good morning, Apollo. Good morning, Aurora. And good morning, Phoenix. It is the start of a new week. It's Monday, May 11th. I hope you had a great weekend. Maybe you did something special to celebrate Mother's Day. And we are off to the start of another remote online learning work week. So you're going to see a bunch of stuff posted on your Teacher's Science Google Classroom page today. I kind of want to give you a run through of what the day is going to look like for science. So first of all, we're going to continue today with air pressure, but we're going to introduce a very important tool that a meteorologist or a weather person would use called a barometer. So a barometer is used to measure air pressure. You might have also heard of a tool called a thermometer. A thermometer measures how hot or cold it is outside, or temperature. So again, a barometer measures air pressure. And air pressure is very important in determining what kind of weather we're going to have for a certain day. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to complete a very short, it's about 2-minute long, Edpuzzle with 9 questions about air pressure and this new tool called the barometer that measures it. So make sure you complete that and try your best. It's 9 multiple choice questions. I also just want to point out that when you're watching the Edpuzzle, when you get to a question, if all of a sudden you don't remember or know the answer, don't just guess. There's a rewatch button that you can press and it takes you back, I don't know, a certain amount of seconds, maybe 15 seconds or so in the video, and you can rewatch where you can find the information for that question. So again, use the rewatch button before you press submit on that question. So after you're done with the Edpuzzle, there's another video about 4 or 5 minutes long about how you can actually make your own barometer at home. Now, it's not required that you make the barometer, but of course, if you have the stuff to make it, and most of the supplies are simple things you might be able to find at home, of course, give it a try. And if you do it, set it up somewhere and kind of take a look at how it changes with the changing air pressure. But take a picture or a video, share it with your science teachers. That would be awesome. If you don't have the stuff to make it, you don't have to. But at least watch the video of how you can make it. And you could always make it later on if you get out to the store or something and buy the stuff. That's totally up to you. After you watch that video, there's also an optional video. You don't have to watch it, but of course it would be great if you did, about the history of the barometer. That's actually a TED Talk video. It's about 5 minutes long, but you don't have to watch that. But, you know, if you have some time, you watch it. And there's also, new this time, there's something called a podcast that we attached a link to. A podcast, there's lots of them out there, something you just listen to, it's audio. And this podcast is about air pressure. I think it's about 6 or 7 minutes long. Again, it's optional to listen to, but highly encouraged. And it's from a podcast company called, I think it's called Geniuses, and they make little short science clips about topics. So if you're interested in this little podcast, you can definitely Google and see what other ones they have available. So again, there's a bunch of stuff to do. Some's optional, some's not. The Edpuzzle will be your accountability for the day, so make sure you try your best on that. And again, the tool that we're introducing is a barometer, which measures air pressure. And air pressure is very important in determining our weather for the day. Now, this video was actually made yesterday on Sunday, so you can kind of see that it's a beautiful day on Sunday. I'm kind of giving you a little bit of 360 here. Nice clear skies. Okay, not many clouds. It's obviously not raining. So if we have a nice day like this with clear skies, no rain, you can expect the pressure in the area to be high pressure. And I actually checked the pressure before making this video. So where I live, the pressure is above 30. It's like 30.1, which is a high pressure day, which kind of shows you the nice clear skies and nice weather. If that pressure drops, you would expect cloudy, rainy, crummier weather. All right, do a nice job today. You've been doing great work. We miss all of you, and have a great Monday. We'll see you again tomorrow.